Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets, numbers and shapes. First we use green color. The next one is yellow color. Kids, now we use black color. The next one is blue color. And now we use red color. Kids, the last one is light green color. Now we draw and coloring numbers, alphabets and shapes. First we use green color and now we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, now we use green color. Now we use green color and draw capital letter alphabets. First we draw A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. B for bat. Now we draw B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Now we use green color and draw the letter of C. Kids, the next one is D. Now we use green color again. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, the next one is E and now we use yellow color. Now we use yellow color and draw the letter of E. E for egg, E for elephant. The letter of E. The next one is numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E. 1. The next one is 2. T-W-O. 2. Kids, now we draw the number of 2. And the next one is 3. Now we use black color. Now we use black color and draw the number of 3. Now we draw the number of 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. We again use black color and draw 4. Now we draw the number of 4. And the next one is 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Kids, the next one is shapes. Now we draw shapes. First we use black color and draw the shape of square. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we use blue color and draw circle. Now we use blue color. The next one is triangle. Now we coloring the shape of triangle. Now we use red color the shape of triangle. Kids, the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Now we use light green color, the shape of heart. Now we draw heart. The last one is star, and now we use yellow color. Kids, now we use yellow color and coloring the shape of star. Now we coloring the shape of star. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.